Okay, welcome to this session where we're going to learn how to integrate. So this is a calculus under integration, which is calculus 3. So we are going to integrate the question given, and when they say evaluate, it means they want you to find the exact value. So we have this question. So if you are given a question in calculus where it says find the integral of 6x squared plus 2x plus 4 with the limiting values. The upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 1. So the first thing that you have to do is you first have to integrate. First you ignore the upper limit and the lower limit. You fuse them later. So you first have to integrate where we say 6x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 4. So how do we integrate? We know to say integration is where the power has to increase. There is an addition of 1 to the x value's power. So from there, we're going to have 6x, 2 plus 1, plus 2x. So this means there is power 1 and an addition of 1. Then when we come to 4, 4 had no power. So from there, it will have x as an increased power 1. From there, bear in mind, the value you are going to get as the sum of the power is the one you divide. So 2 plus 1, we have 3, so you divide by 3. 1 plus 1, we have 2, you divide by 2. So now, this is power 1. Divide by 1 for the sake of dividing, but we don't divide the number by 1. We only use it to balance a fraction. So in this case, we are going to have 6x power 3 over 3 plus 2x power 2 over 2 plus 4x. So now, this is what we do. I said earlier on to say the value of the power is what you divide with, or rather the power is power 3, you divide by 3. So we have 3 into 6, it will give us 2. So we have 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus 4x. So this, by doing this, you've integrated. Now they want you to evaluate. After integrating, you fuse in now the upper limit and the lower limit so that you may find now the value. So from there, you go to the next part where we say the integration as a power 2 and 1, where we have to work out now this. So with the upper limit and the lower limit, we are going to do this. 2, you fuse the upper limit in the value of x. Then you subtract with the lower limit. So you're going to have 2, instead of x, you put in 1 to the power 3 plus 1 to the power 2 plus 4 and 1 there. Then you close there. So it's a matter of now understanding what do you do at this point. First, you work out the power with the number. Instead of first multiplying, you say 2 to the power 3 is what? We're going to get 8. 8 times 2, that's where we get 16. So it's 16 plus 2 to the power 2, that's 4. Then we have 4 times 2. We know to say there was power 1, so any number to the power 1 is that number. So we're going to say 4 times 2, that's 8. Then you do this. You subtract. 1 to the power 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is again 2. 1 to the power 1, that's 1. 4 times 1, that's 4. From there, you say 16 plus 4, we are going to have 20. 20 plus 8, that's 28. So we have 28. 28 minus, what is 2 plus 1 plus 4? That's 7. So we're going to say 28 minus 7. From there, the answer we're going to have is 28 minus 7. We're going to have 21. So 21 was the answer. Thank you. See you next time.